It's Tuesday, October 18th. Just a little update on the 3-unit complex on Bird Street. Let's take a look at the inside here. We're down to the finishing touches now. Still waiting for the AC to be installed, but we're not going to install that until the tenants move in one by one. A little bit cleaning up to do on the outside. We still got some construction trash out here. Just to show you how the kitchen cabinets and granite looks like here. This is the unit that is pretty much ready, except for the AC. Appliances, kitchen cabinets, solid wood oak cabinets. Gonna have like a microwave over there, and a stove, refrigerator. Granite's completely installed. Very solid stuff. New plumbing fixtures are all new in every unit. New vanity. Got hot running water, new toilet. It's the new water efficiency ones. Bathtub needs some cleaning. This is the only bath that we did not remodel, but everything else is new because it's in pretty good condition. You just have to clean all the black stuff out and repop it. Moving out. Closets are all back together. Windows all new. Pretty much all the windows are new. I ended up having to replace all of them. It's a closet. Very, very nice units. We're gonna have people fighting for these units. We already have 2 potential ones that we're screening right now, waiting for the application process to come through. And we have a potential Section 8 tenant, but that person is not going to be moving in until December 1st. But she's got a pretty high voucher. I believe it's like $750 a month. I'm pretty sure she's going to like this place. This is the first unit. Let's take a look at the other units. The water meters are all in. We're going to have to fill this up with dirt and make it look nice and neat once we're done here. Clear all this trash out. Those are the old toilets that came out. This is another unit with new kitchen cabinets. Still got a few finishing touches to do, but we went ahead and installed new lights, fluorescent lights in here. That hole is for the AC vent, wine racks, laundry hookups. Hot water heater is already back together. This is the bathroom here. New vanity. That's how the wall looks like. There's a lot of grout on the surface right now. They just got done grouting it, so there's a lot of white spots. Once we clean it up, it's going to look really nice. New shower valves inside the wall and out. New plumbing. New toilet. Vanity, mirror, all the lights, everything's new in this house. All the doors are new. This is where we're getting ready to run the copper for the air conditioning and heating system outside. Pretty big closet in here. Just another bedroom. Alright, let's take a look at the upstairs unit. We're gonna get ready to paint this pretty soon, the stair rails and all the metal here. Paint the soffit and the fascia. There's some overspray there. It looked dirty, so we're gonna have to paint it. All these doors are new also. Oh, whoa, whoa, coming in. Oh, sorry. Kitchen. These are the old kitchen cabinets. Really good shape. Cleaning up the inside. Putting new kitchen countertop over it. Got another new window there. 2 new windows here. Excuse me, Cesar.
Yeah.
There's a new bath. Hey, Alfredo! Let's get Junior to change this out.
Excuse me?
It's no good, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, let's change it, like the downstairs one.
Okay.
New toilet, shower walls.
Se le ha quedado abierto, te oigo. Falta muchas cositas.
Yeah, this vanity is missing a drawer and it's not looking very appealing, so just gonna have to change it out. It's the bedroom that has a balcony. Really breezy here today. Looking out. One more bedroom over here. Ceiling fan. Big closet. Okay, that's it.